Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a couple of weeks since I last did a video, so today I just thought I'd pop on here and show you guys some bits that I got from the Stacey Solomon collection. Now I did get these goodies about a month ago, but I just haven't got around to filming them, so I thought I'd jump on today, get them out, you guys can see them. I believe they still have the collection out because I have popped in to a few ASDA since then, and I've still seen some of the bits out. You can also pop online as well. They should still have a few of the bits out as well. So I believe you've still got time. You've still got time to grab a few bits. So let's just get straight on with the video and let me show you what I've picked up. It's not a lot of stuff. I've just literally grabbed a few bits and then yeah, but she's done very good with this collection, I must admit. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys is these linen napkins. Now I bought a pack of 4. They're really nice. I love the quality, seems to be okay as well. These I believe were, oh gosh, I can't remember the prices, guys. I've lost my receipt. I can't remember how much these were. I think they were probably about £6 or £7, something like that. The only thing about this I would say is that there's only 12% linen. It does have a linen look, but I'm just wondering when you wash it what it would be like, because I haven't actually used them yet. Other than that, they're really nice. And then to match this, I also got a linen tablecloth, which is this one here, and this is 230 by 140 centimeters. Again, 12% linen, 88% cotton. So again, we'll see once it's washed. I think I'll probably end up using this around Christmas time, to be fair. It seems really nice. I love the linen look. Yeah, and it's got this really nice stitching as well. I don't think you're going to be able to see, but it's got this really nice stitching here around the brim as well, which is really nice. So I am looking forward to using them and seeing what they're like on the table. Another thing that I got was these cute little pumpkins. Look at them, they're so adorable. They are so cute. So you get a pack of these. These were £12, which I don't think is bad actually. And you just get these really nice a set of bouquet pumpkins. So you get, like, if they can come out, one sec. So you get this small little mini one there. And then you get another, just a slightly bigger, in this kind of like gragey brown colour. And then you get some bigger ones, which are really nice. And then the stalk bits are like woven jute. So they're really nice. And I think there's a lot you can do, just, you know, I've just plonked them around the house. So yeah, and you get a pack of those, and like I said, those were £12, which I really liked. And I think for £12 that's actually not bad. I think that's quite good for a nice little bundle of pumpkins. The next thing I got is this Let's Get Cozy mug, which I think is just so adorable. I don't know if you can see it, but it's just so lovely. It's a nice muted, not even muted, it's like a beigey creamy kind of colour. I think this was £4. They had some other ones. They had one with dogs on it. They had a few with different kind of pets on it. So they had a few nice ones. I mean, I do not need any more mugs, if I'm being honest. I've just packed away a load of mugs because it was just too much. So, but I've had this sitting there for about a month. Now, if I don't keep this, I may give this away as a little gift in like some kind of hamper for Christmas, because I know I don't need another mug. So I'm thinking it'll be quite good to have as a gift with some other bits that I've got as well. So that might be something that I actually do for Christmas. And then I also got this lovely tea light holder. So it's white with like a cream stalk, and then you put the little tea light holder in there, and then because you've got the little gaps in between, obviously it will shine a nice little light. And I'm trying to remember how much this was. Does it have the price on it? No. I feel like this was about £7. £7-8, maybe 9, no more than 10, I know that. And it's nice, it's quite heavy, and it's I don't know what the material is, but it feels very weighty, which is nice. So that's quite nice, and it's very neutral. So I think even regardless of sometimes what your style could be, I feel like this could fit in somewhere. Like these pieces that she's got, like one or two of the pieces you could use in different kind of styled homes, because they're quite neutral. So even if you didn't go for the tea light holder, for example, and you had more of a modern organic home, you could use this. Do you see what I'm saying? So I feel like it's quite diverse in terms of where some of these pieces could fit, which is what I love about the collection, and I feel like she's done very well in. And then another thing that I got was this another pumpkin. Now I have been using this. It does get a bit ruffly because of the material. I'll show you the material. So it does get a little bit ruffly because of that, but it's a nice little pumpkin. This one was a bit more pricey. I think this was £14. So yeah, but it's nice. It's nice. I was a bit apprehensive about the stalk because it just reminds me a bit, it's a bit, I don't know, like a witchy stalk, if that makes sense, as opposed to a nice, softer touch one. I'm just being picky, but I like it and I've kept it. So I've enjoyed that, and that's just been sitting on my bed with some other little pumpkins. And then last but not least, I picked up a set of her glasses. Now I believe this is like the hammered effect glass. You get 2 of them. I believe this was about £7. Really, really nice. I wish I got another pack. I'm going to see if I can try and get another pack. The good thing that I like about her collection is you genuinely could use this collection for gifts. You don't, it's not something where, you know, you can't use it. So Christmas times, these will be great as gifts. Can you imagine something like this, maybe some napkins and a candle, like, I don't know, or a mug and, you know, glasses. You can work it how you want, but they're good for gifts. So even if it's a case of where you want to get someone a gift for Christmas, £7 with something else, with a candle or something like that, you can't beat it. And I think she actually has some candles in the collection. I never grabbed none, but I believe she does have some candles as well. And then she has the flute type glasses as well. So if you're a person that's mainly into the flute, that's also a good one to go with as well. And I believe they're ribbed, if I'm correct. If I'm correct. And that's it from the Stacey Solomon collection. So I feel like I got quite a few bits from her collection. I do like the collection. I think she's done a great job, like I said. I think she's done some lovely neutrals. Excuse me, fixing my top. I feel like she's done some lovely neutrals to go in your house. And I've really, really enjoyed it. So I hope you can can't speak. I hope you can get your hands... I hope you can get your hands on some of these bits, because they are really nice pieces to just put around your house, to elevate it and just give, you know, a little touch of something. I haven't used mine yet because I keep saying, like I've been saying in the other videos, we are planning to move, hence why everything is just in the background a little bit chaotic. So I've been clearing and packing up, but I've also been buying new bits and stuff. So when I get them, I kind of pack them away in boxes because there's no point putting them out. And it's been quite nice buying little pieces, you know, for the new home. And yeah, so I hope you've enjoyed this video. I will see you guys shortly because I still have quite a few videos to get through. I've got a homesense haul, I've got a small business haul that I need to put out. I've done a quick trip to B&M, so I want to put that out. And also hopefully be working on some Christmas content and some great gift ideas for like under £20, under £10. So there's a lot coming, and if you have any ideas or any videos that you would like to see, please leave it in the comment down below. Do not forget to subscribe, guys, and do not forget to like, and I'll see you guys later. Take care, bye.